It's the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for Tuesday, the 11th of December. I'm Michael Groff. Another cool day here across central Florida, but then we'll see a warming trend starting tomorrow. The wet weather returns by Friday. What about that weekend forecast? And you know what? Christmas, believe it or not, is just 2 weeks away. We might be able to take a sneak peek at what you could expect way out there. Let's talk about all of it. First, the almanac from yesterday. 65 degrees was the high, but that occurred just after midnight. 50 degrees the low. That occurred at 11:59 p.m. And 0.02 of an inch of rain officially in the bucket. Outside right now, here at 7:40 a.m. out at TIA, you've got mostly cloudy skies out there. 48 degrees presently. Dew points at 43. Humidity 81%. The winds are light. The barometer rising. Temperatures around the area this morning. Well, we're mostly in the 40s. Of course, it's near 50 or even above 50 at the coast. And around the nation, yeah, if you think it's cold here, check that out. Up north, very cold. Single digits and teens. 5 degrees right now in Minneapolis, St. Paul. It's actually below zero in parts of the Northeast. The upper air look shows you exactly why that is. We've got a big trough pulling down cool air all the way to the Gulf Coast and across central Florida this morning. But that will be moving out in coming days, being replaced by a more zonal flow. The watch warning map, winter weather advisories out in the Pacific Northwest, winter storm warnings there too, a number of wind advisories. We've got dense fog advisories in parts of the Southeast, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, and parts of Georgia and extreme North Florida. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather across the country, a little thunder over the Pacific Northwest, and precipitation for the next 7 days from the WPC. Amounts somewhere between 1/2 and 3/4 of an inch here for Tampa Bay. Heavier totals across the Panhandle, lighter totals for South Florida. And we'll get into the details of it all now as we check out the models. Here we go to the GFS. The 06Z run valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. There's our trough moving away slowly. A northwest flow aloft. Down at the surface, kind of a northerly flow with surface high pressure sitting to our west. So we'll have mostly cloudy skies. Could there be a sprinkle around this morning? I guess so, but for the most part, we'll be drying out. High temperatures today, upper 50s and low 60s. A nice cool day. Tonight, mostly clear, lows in the low 40s, upper 30s in the cool spots. Tomorrow, partly sunny, highs in the upper 60s. Thursday, it looks mostly cloudy. We've got a mention of a shower in the forecast, but any rain that would occur should be fairly light and rather widely spaced. Highs continue to warm back toward the low 70s. And then Friday, this looks like a wet day. The rain actually comes in kind of Thursday night, and then Friday, showers and thunderstorms likely. We've got a surface low over northern Louisiana and southern Arkansas. Not particularly deep is this system, but still enough forcing and dynamics. Certainly a lot of moisture around for just a showery day and a few thunderstorms. This is not a severe weather look, though. And highs in the low and middle 70s. On Saturday, that system begins to scoot off to the east, but we'll still have at least a chance of showers around in the morning, then becoming partly sunny, and highs again low 70s. Sunday doesn't look too bad, partly cloudy, highs in the low 70s. Monday, highs right around 70 with partly cloudy skies. And let's go out to a week from today. This is Tuesday the 18th. We've got a ridge over the northern plains. We've got a cutoff low beginning to form near the Rio Grande, but a zonal flow around here. So things look pretty nice, partly cloudy and highs right around seasonal averages, upper 60s and low 70s. It's got 10 days. This is the end of the forecast period. Thursday, the 20th, we've got a big ridge over the southwest. Check out that 588 contour there over Arizona and northwest Mexico. But in this configuration, it kind of looks like we'll stay dry. Temperatures will be pretty close to average. And just for the heck of it, let's go ahead and do it. We'll go way out into fantasy land, 348 hours into the future. This is Christmas Day, coming off the GFS. And I will tell you, of course, this is highly subject to change. But if this happened to verify, deep low over the southern plain states, the surface lows over Mississippi in this configuration, yeah, that's a blizzard. That could be a big snowstorm for Dallas, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Harrison, Arkansas. Certainly a very cold day for much of the southern plains. Rain here across the southeast, including much of North Florida, maybe all the way down to Tampa Bay. But, look, this is 2 weeks out, so we'll see what happens. Just kind of fun to look at. Let's take a look at the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble, and our roller coaster continues. Highs go a little bit above average as we get out toward the weekend. but then trending down just a bit. Keep in mind, normal highs this time of year are about 72, 73 degrees, and they'll continue to lower as we get further on into December. And that's going to do it for the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your feedback, your comments, questions, and suggestions, always encouraged as well. Be safe out there and have yourselves a fantastic Tuesday.